All right, let's get you back to our chief meteorologist, Chris Holcomb, with your 11 Live weather impact alert. And Chris, you're tracking impacts that we could be seeing by the end of the week from Francine.
And that's going to be the system that we're focusing on really for the rest of the week. Right now, it is in the Gulf of Mexico, still a tropical storm, but we expect Francine to make landfall in Louisiana on Wednesday, most likely as a Category 1 hurricane. And then we watch the remnants as they move north. The track is shifting a little bit toward the east, a little bit closer to us. So we are closely monitoring the rain moving in and how much we're going to get, the wind that'll be possible with it, and then a low risk for some storms. We're already seeing some impacts now. First, with the clouds that are building in. This is the leading edge of those clouds moving through the Atlanta area, pushing up toward the north here. The sun's still able to filter through that a little bit, but more of those clouds back into Alabama, central Georgia, and South Georgia. Once you get to the Gulf Coast, that's where we have the rain. That's convection well ahead of the center that is still well down to the south. You can see the center of the storm right now as it moves up toward the north. This is going to be making landfall tomorrow afternoon with winds around 90 miles an hour, and then the remnants continue to move to the north. But what I pointed out a little bit earlier, the track has shifted a little bit to the east, which means it's a little bit closer to the Atlanta area. So that's why we're going to continue fine-tuning those potential impacts. I'm going to talk about the rain, the wind, and also the storm risk. Let's talk about the rain first. Here's a model comparison showing rainfall maybe 1 to 3 inches over our area. The European model showing some pockets picking up a little bit more. Again, we'll keep fine-tuning that. Then look at the wind. Tomorrow, we're going to see some winds gusting maybe 10 to 20 miles an hour, but the winds will get a little bit stronger here during the day on Thursday. That's when we can see some winds gusting between 20 to 35 miles an hour, and some of that may linger into Friday as well. Those winds will be stronger back over into parts of Alabama. Then the storm risk is going to be greater along the Gulf Coast region when there's a level 2 of 5 risk for severe storms. Then on Thursday, that storm risk does extend up into Alabama. We will have general showers and thunder showers here, but whenever you have a landfalling tropical system and you're on the right-hand side of the track, you have to watch for the potential for storms. And if that track continues moving to the east, they may extend that severe weather risk over into our area. So here's the timeline of what we're watching. On Tuesday night, tonight, we're going to see a few more clouds building in. Tomorrow, better coverage of clouds, maybe on the south side, a few showers late, but then it's overnight, Wednesday and Thursday, when we begin to see some of the rain moving in. We'll have that with us off and on Thursday. We have to watch some of those outer bands and individual bands that could have pockets of heavy rain with it and storms, and then that extends into Friday as well. And we're even going to see the rain chances lingering with us into the weekend, but at least they'll start coming down a little bit. So a low risk for some showers later on Wednesday as those clouds increase. And then we have the weather impact alert Thursday and Friday with that better chance for showers, wind, and storms. Rain chances coming down a little bit Saturday and Sunday, and then much lower rain chances Monday and Tuesday as temperatures go from the 70s here on Thursday and Friday back down to back to the 80s here for the rest of the weekend and into the beginning of next week.
Oh boy, it's going to be a busy week for us.
It really will be. So something to watch. We'll keep fine-tuning those impacts throughout the week.
And certainly a wet one too. Get those rain boots and umbrellas ready.